Oman's weather will be partly cloudy on the coastal strips of Dhofar Governorate and the neighboring Hajar Mountains for the next 2 days, the meteorological department has said. There are also chances of dust storms in the desert areas of the Sultanate from today evening. The low clouds across the country will also bring foggy mornings, especially on the coasts of the Sea of Oman and the Muscat region and also on the coasts of Arabian Sea and the Dhofar region. The mornings in the last few days have been hazy and foggy in the capital region, with temperatures hovering around 28 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature has come down to 44 in Ivory while Muscat recorded a high of 34. The highest temperature that Salalah recorded today was 27 degrees. While the afternoons are still hot, the sting has come down, with evenings appearing cooler with breeze. The last few days of monsoon drizzle is also currently on in Salalah and nearby cities, with the active southwesterly winds from the Arabian Sea bringing high and rough waves on its coasts. There are warnings of raging waves on the coasts of the Arabian Sea and low visibility in places of rain and fog formation. Clouds are forming over most of the Sultanate's governorates and there are chances of scattered rain over parts of coastal areas overlooking the Arabian Sea. The Directorate General of Meteorology clarified that the weather condition is partly cloudy to cloudy on the coastal strip of the Governorate of Dhofar and the adjacent mountains, with intermittent rainfall. The weather is overall clear over the rest of the governorates with high and medium clouds that may lead to scattered rain in the coastal areas overlooking the Arabian Sea. There may be thunderstorms over parts of South Al-Sharqiya and Al-Wasta governorates and there are chances of low clouds or fog forming at the end of the night and early morning on the coasts of the Arabian Sea and Oman Sea. There is a possibility of clouds forming over Hajar Mountains during the afternoon with chances of scattered rain. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.